Okay, good morning. Welcome to Lighting Systems 20 at 10. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. On a personal note, I'm new with Lighting Systems, so it's a pleasure for me to be here with you. Today, we have Nick, the Western Regional Sales Manager from Liteline. As advertised, he'll be exploring some of the options for multifamily projects. Please enter any questions you have in the chat, and we'll address them all at the end of the presentation. If you'd like to schedule a follow-up meeting with Nick, please reach out to your Lighting Systems representative or click the link at the 20 at 10 page on our website. And without further ado, please take it away, Nick.
All right. Thanks, Brian. Thanks to everyone for coming. Good morning. As Brian mentioned, my name is Nick Kalfayan. I'm the regional sales rep for Liteline based in San Jose, so I'm local. If you're not familiar with Liteline, it's a family-owned manufacturer based out of Toronto, Canada. We have 3 major warehouses, Toronto, Canada, Buffalo, and just outside of Vancouver. What we're known for primarily in Canada is being the largest manufacturer with over 70% market share in the residential space, which is why I'm really excited to talk about our products with you guys today on how we're able to leverage, our buying power, our service to what we do here. So with that, I'll get to the product. So the first product I want to touch on is what we call our Slim LED series. So the first product is what we call Slim LED Multi. What's really great about this product is you can use this product in an existing 4-inch housing or in a standard J-box. We ship in the box white, black, and silver trim rings. So depending on what your customer's looking for, it's all in one. It's also CCT selectable, JA8, wet rated, and Energy Star. If you need square trim adapters, we sell those as well. So these are the 2 versions of the Slim LED Multi. The first version is the CCT selectable version at 560 lumens, 27 through 5K. And again, if you have that fire rated J-box, then the complete fixture is a fire rated solution. If you need a little bit more punch in the 4-inch aperture, we have a 750 lumen option where you select your color temperature at time of ordering. And later this summer, we're going to be coming out with a 6-inch version of this product that's going to be offering over 1,000 lumens. Next product I want to touch on is what we call our Luna series. So this is one of Liteline's flagship product. And when we introduced this product about 10 years ago, it was the industry's first adjustable wet rated fixture, and it doesn't require a housing. So the luminaire that you see on the screen is IC, airtight, wet rated, JA8, and stocked in all 3 warehouses, typically 48-hour turnaround. So let's dig a little bit deeper into the Luna category. First is our 2-inch profile. 7 watts at 560 lumens, 92 CRI. It is CCT selectable from 27 through 5K. This product is a fixed 38-degree beam angle. It does come, the trim options are available in white, black, brushed nickel, and in some form factors, oil bronze. As I mentioned, it's IC, it's airtight, wet rated, it has that JA8. It does carry a lifetime warranty. And so what's great about this product is it's really bulletproof. If anything were to go wrong, meaning the driver, lumen depreciation, or optic failure, we'll replace it without any issue. It is available in a remodel or new construction configuration. And if you require dim to warm, it's also available. Our dim to warm range is from 3,000 to 2,000K, and standard out of the box, dimming, or it's fully dimmable down to about 5%. Next, we have our Luna 3, 3.5, and 4-inch profiles. As you can see, same great benefit and features that we just talked about, but it's going to be a larger profile with more light. In addition to that, we have what we call our Luna multiples. So say, for instance, if you're working on an opportunity where you need to have 2 and 3 light multiples, but have that uniform look from below the ceiling, Luna would be a great option for you to utilize when you pair it with the 3.5-inch single downlight. You'll also notice on the driver, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So on the multiples, you'll have the 2 leads, power leads, that connect to each driver, or excuse me, each light engine on the multiple. And then lastly, in the Luna category is what we call our Luna 56 Pro. So if you have taller ceilings, you require, a 5 or 6 inch downlight, Luna 56 Pro would be a great option to look at. You're looking at anywhere from 1200, 1450, or 2200 lumens. Again, IC airtight, wet rated. You have that CCT selectable switch between 27 and 5K. You can also get this in dim to warm. You can specify your reflector and trim finishes with this particular product as well. And then here are some of the accessories. So as I mentioned, Luna doesn't require a housing. However, if you would like to order the new construction mounting kit, you can do so, as well as our flexible connector. Sometimes the plenum space doesn't allow for the driver to be right next to the luminaire, and you can remote mount that into an attic space or whatnot. And then we also have what we call our commercial grade driver. So if you require 277 volt or 0 to 10 volt dimming, you can add that to the part number and we would be able to comply and ship that out. And then lastly, which I think is actually pretty useful, is what we call our reduction ring, or kind of like a goof ring. So if you're dealing with a retrofit opportunity where maybe the existing can was an 8-inch and you want to retrofit to a 6-inch, or to a 6-inch to a 4-inch, you have the ability to do so with our Luna product. So you just specify the reduction ring, the proper one, the right Luna size, and out into the field, you'd be able to install those together into that existing housing that exists. Okay, we're moving on. We have Sigma next. So Sigma is the workhorse that I typically go to for my higher end opportunities, whether it be multifamily or residential, or even some light commercial, to be honest. The lumen packages that we offer in Sigma are 700, 900, which is dim to warm, 1100 and 1600 lumens in 4 distinct beam spreads, 15, 24, 40, and 50 degrees. You can also order the Sigma in a round, square, or trimless profile. And then the color temperatures are anywhere from 27K to 5K, as well as dim to warm and tunable white. So with Sigma, you have 23 different trim options. So it's kind of a specifier's dream, right? You have all these different options at your disposal. So it could be anywhere between round, square, adjustable, wet rated, deep regress, pinhole, wall wash, slope ceiling, multiples. It's all there. And all of those different trims and all of those different lumen packages all utilize that same light engine that you see on the top right corner, which is 2 inches. So you can get a 2-inch aperture with any of these different trims up to 1600 lumens, all JAA. So we're really excited about this product, and it's done well in California just because of the versatility of what the product can do. Okay, so now we're going to shift to the under cabinet millwork and step lights within the Liteline category. So the first product I'd like to touch on is what we call our slim pucks. These are 120 lumens per puck. They're available both in 12 volt and 24 volt, only 2 watts. You can specify if you want them hardwired or plugged in. You can get this in a single light or 3 light kit. They are available in 3000K at the moment, but we're working on expanding the color temperature option to 27 and 35K. Trim options are white, black, and brushed nickel, as you can see on the bottom left. You can either surface mount these or recess mount them. Next, we have our micro pots. So they're about 1.5 inches tall, really great for accent lighting for showcases, cabinets, hallways, restaurants, or millwork. 235 lumens, available both round and square. Again, 3.5 watts at 24 volts. 3000K white, black, and silver finishes for this particular product. So these types of products are really nice for detail. So when you walk into a space, they're sometimes overlooked because they're small, but they really provide that kind of wow and pop factor in these little nooks and crannies of, a residence or, an apartment space. Last product I have for you, it looks like I'm going quick, is what we call our Fossil series. Really nice for hallways, corridors, stairs, and entrances. 2 watts, 24 volt at 90 CRI, 70 lumens, again, fully dimmable. You have 4 different options of a design pattern that you can choose from, whether it be a square, an oval, which you can see here front and center, and then a small and large rectangle. And so what you get with this plaster face is that actually muds into the wall. And the only design, what you see as an end user, is the design pattern that you selected. So it's a really neat product if you're trying to light up, as I mentioned, hallways or in corridors where it's perfectly flush with the wall. And it's a great little product for these types of applications. So that is the last product that I have for you guys. I wanted to kind of keep it quick and simple. If you visit our website, you'll notice we have a ton of different products. We have a large portfolio, so I encourage you to do so, but I didn't want to overwhelm you guys today with a bunch of different things. Hopefully this was enough to whet your appetite and to learn a little bit more about Liteline.
All right, great. Thanks, Nick. Those are some really great options. And let's see if we got some questions from the audience here. So the first question, for the Slim LED, does that fit in both an existing 4-inch can as well as a 4-inch J-box?
Correct. Yeah, the Slim Multi is utilized for both. It can be used in an install for retrofit with an existing 4-inch, housing that's existing, or if there's J boxes that are exposed where we want to pop in a fixture. Since the driver's integrated behind the luminaire, it pops right in without any issue.
Great. Okay. Another one. When will the other color temperature options be available for the Slim Pucks?
The Slim Pucks, that's an ongoing development. Our expectation is it will be by the end of the year. The 27K and 35K for the Slim Pucks will be available.
Great. For the Luna, is it correct that there is no housing required and it still meets IC and JA8 compliance?
Correct. Yeah. So the beauty of Luna when we developed it is the fact that we wanted to remove the big bulky IC housing from the downlight. So this is really nice, again, for retrofit or even new construction where it's not required. It makes it a little bit easier for our contractor friends to install. So the luminaire itself that I showed on screen is IC airtight wet rated just as it is. But if you require or a contractor would like the traditional pan and hanger bars for new construction applications, those are available to you guys as well.
Okay. I think that's all the questions we have. So I just want to thank everybody for attending today. Next month, we'll be presenting new products from Floss. So keep your eyes open for that. And remember, if you have any additional questions or would like to follow up with Nick, please reach out to your lighting systems representative or click the link on the 20 at 10 page on our website. Thanks again, everybody. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye.